When I speak Realtor, my mom translates it into real life. Welcome to Pecan Ridge by Caruso Homes in Bowie, Maryland. Let's walk this gorgeous Deerfield model. This open concept connects the family room to the kitchen.
Absolutely. I'm hearing you say is I can be in the kitchen, stir in the pot, and throw shade at the couch crew without missing a beat.
Yes, you can, Mama. This owner's suite includes a spa bath with dual vanities and a beautiful walk-in shower.
Oh yes, how beautiful. Shout out to Caruso, saving marriages, 2 sinks at a time.
And upstairs laundry adds convenience.
And it's no more dragging baskets like it's a boot camp.
That is correct. This basement can flex as an office or gym space.
In other words, it's my whatever I feel like doing space.
Or a media space.
For watching all of my movies.
Or binge watching your TV shows. Or an extra bedroom or flex space.
For my secret phone calls.
This house does have a finished basement, but it is an optional upgrade.
You're right. This is so much space for me to practice my boots on the ground routine.
Okay, let's show them where the fans at, Mama.
Where the fans at?
See, I speak Realtor.
I speak real life. Together, we make sense.